Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make another account on Instagram. Let's get started. For that, open up your Instagram account and then log in to your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Tap on this three line icon. Scroll below, then tap on log out. Tap on log out again. And then inside the login page, you need to go ahead and simply tap on create a new account. And then choose a new username, create a password, and add your email address or phone number. After that, you have to go ahead and tap on next and then follow the on-screen instruction. Once your new account is created, you can switch account anytime by going to your profile and then tapping on the username at the top and selecting the other account from the list. And that's it. That is how you can make another Instagram account and manage multiple accounts on one device. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.